This is Module 6, Lesson 5, Problem Set Review. So I'm just going to, you only come here and check this after you've taken the time to go through the problem set. This is where you come back to check to see how you did. So use a straight edge, mark the points. E is on the x-axis, is parallel to the x-axis and perpendicular to the y-axis. I plotted more points. I gave the coordinates of my points. What do all the points of line E have in common? All of the points have a y-axis or coordinate of 4. Give the coordinates of another point that would fall on E with the x-coordinate greater than 15. Well, just go 16. Plot the points on the coordinate plane to the right. So I plotted my points. I used a straight edge to draw the line to connect the points, and I labeled it line H. So line H, the x is always equal to 1.5 for all the y variables. And I'm going to circle the correct word. Line H is perpendicular to line X because it will form a right angle. Line H is parallel to line Y because they will never intersect. For each pair of points below, think about the line that joins them. Then what patterns occur in the coordinate pairs that let you know that line H is vertical? Well, all of the x values are the same. Then right here, for each pair of points, think about the line that joins them. So I thought about the line that joined them and where they would be equal. Then for each pair of points below, think about the line that joins them. For which pairs is the line parallel to the y-axis? This was parallel to the x-axis. And then think about how other points that would fall on the line. Then write the coordinate pairs of 3 points that can be connected to construct a line. Your numbers could be a little bit different for the y coordinate. Write the coordinate pairs of 3 points that lie on the x-axis. So then again, the only thing that your numbers in the x could be different, but the y is always going to be the same because it's always going to sit on the x-axis. Now for problem 7. So it's about strategy. How could Adam think through this? So Adam and Janice are playing a battleship. Presented as the table is a record of Adam's guesses so far. He has hit Janice's battleship using these coordinate pairs. What should he guess next? How do you know? And explain using words and pictures. So you might want to draw a grid, coordinate grid, and plot those points and figure out, use the strategy. Where would you choose next? So the rest of the ship has to be on 312 or greater because Adam has already tried all of the other options. The hits have been at the x coordinate 3. He has to go higher on the y-axis or coordinate because 3, 9 didn't work. So how would you explain that? All right, hopefully you did well.